Channel here. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get CapCut Pro for free. So let's get started. Now we're going to open our CapCut. Open our CapCut. Now this is it. Let our CapCut open. Okay, now so we've opened our CapCut. Now click on this new project. Once you click on the new project, I'm going to go and choose one project. I'm going to use a Pro effect there, and you're going to see how I'm going to use my Pro without subscribe, without anything. So I'm just going to click on this and click on add. Click on add. Now I'm going to use a Pro effect now. Oh, this is slowing now. Okay guys, so I'm just going to use a Pro effect. Okay, now so I'm going to use effect. You can see this AI. Let me show my tab. You can see this AI effect. I'm going to click on the Pro. Okay, sorry, let's do this. Border effect. So I'm going to find one effect here and I'm going to use it. Okay, let's see. All these ones are free. Let me come to this. Okay, let me go back and let me go to sticker. I think stickers are Pro. So I'm going to come here and come to stickers. So I'm going to use a Pro sticker here. Okay, you can see this is Pro, so I'm going to click on this Pro and I'm going to use it. You can see this is it. I've used it. I'm going to click on another one here. I'm going to click on this. I just want to show you how you can use it. Put it here, make it more small. So guys, you can see I've put all the effects here. Click on OK now. So if you want to export, you're going to see that it's going to say I've used a Pro faction that I need to join. You can see upgrade to Pro extra pack. To download it, just come to here. Now the only thing you're going to do that's make you this thing, everything you use to import it, just swipe down your phone and click on recording. Okay, before you do that, click this button here. Do you see this? To make it enlarge, you can see, and just swipe your phone down and sorry guys, swipe your phone down here and click the recording button. Once you record everything, make sure you play your video. I'm going to show you how to change country in the Google Play Store. So let's get started. But before that, just play everything. Click the subscribe button. It helps me a lot. Thank you guys, you're wonderful. Now let's get started. We're going to open our Play Store. Put your recording. Click on your Play Store here and then go to your Play Store. Your profession. You can see this is our profession here. Everything using our Pro is here. This channel here. Into this video I'm going to show you how to change country in the Google Play Store. So let's get started. But before that, click the subscribe button. It helps me a lot. Thank you guys. For you to know that the Pro effect is there, I'm going to enlarge the Pro effect now to cover all the video. You can see. Sorry guys, you can see. So just click on this please, and you start recording. Play it, come back. This channel here. Into this video I'm going to show you how to change country in the Google Play Store. So let's get started. But before that, play till it reach the beginning. Once you do that, just stop it and go back, and just go to your gallery, pick the recording and go back to your CapCut and go and export it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and click the like button. Thank you.